unexpected pretty much, so hope it's not too daunting.
Everyone at work said I'm mad, but hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained, is it?
What are you expecting?
Well, probably the experience of sort of just being out in the ocean, seeing nature as it is. I'm into photography, so I brought all my camera gear to bore everyone with. And also, this is coinciding with the Modern Boat Festival, which I think will be absolutely marvellous.
Beautiful. It's just glorious.
We're about to transit Port Phillip Heads. This is part of the marine legislation for a passenger vessel crossing Port Phillip Heads. So we've got our life jackets on, we're closing all the hatches, closing our watertight doors, and we're flying code flag up.
Going into Oberon Bay this morning with the inversion where we had clear air right against the cold sea and then layers of fog and smog in front of the islands above. Absolutely glorious.
Everyone I've known that come on board always participate to their utmost or to their capacity that they can. And they go around way with a real life experience.
You wouldn't want to be up there in the middle of a storm. Realise we're shortening sail. Oh shit! Get the night through.
About 3:30 I was feeling a bit poorly. Yes. But yes, it was a bit wet and clammy and horrible, but we survived, and here's another day. The sun shining and the perfect day in paradise.
Yeah, they got tapped on the shoulder at 3 o'clock.
Oh, look you up.
And yes, the boat was rocking and I felt pretty squeezy. So I got up, sweat's pouring off, feeling sick in the stomach. I thought I'd just go lie down again. So I did that, that felt better. Got up again, no, not too good. I thought, no, I think Brian would rather think that I was down in the bed and out of the way. So that's where I stayed.
Oh, over there is you apply to the National Trust to be the caretaker of this group of islands, and they give you your food and your diesel, and they maroon you there for 6 months. Believe it or not, there's a waiting list of about 40,000 people who want to do it. I don't know, but it's long.
Why aren't you going to do it?
Why don't I do it? Oh, I like living too much.
Prime example is in Killiecrankie with the fishermen and that, bringing the kids on board and having a little party with them at their place. It's about meeting people, different people, even meeting people on board and getting to know the people, the different crew and the trainees as well.
We are being invaded by the locals from Killiecrankie.
Welcome, Swamperdicks.
guys. I know about it.
Barbecue or boil?
It's a hard decision to make.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Just crossing Bank Strait here, just waiting for the tide to change. We've got about 33 knots on the nose, so just motor sailing into it. We're doing about 3 knots over the ground at the moment, a bit more through the water. Once this tide picks us up from behind, we should be doing well over 6 knots over the ground, and we'll get spat out. That's the idea anyway. So we'll see what happens. Because we are life in good gentry, hops around with the love on our soul, singing to rely, at the singing to rely, singing to rely, at the we're bound for Botany Bay. For 7 long years I'll be staying there, for 7 long years and a day.
Hey? Wouldn't there be a joke about hinges? Polishing the hinges? There's got to be something.
Yeah, arm's getting tired, been at it for 4 hours.
Sing it to rely, sing it to rely, we're bound for Botany Bay. Oh, had I the wings of a turtle, I'd soar on my kingdom so high.
I would say the highlight was the way the crew handled the couple of difficult times we had when the jib boom broke. Right, we were in very rough seas, and we felt very, very confident. Right, never in danger. Right.
The whole experience of going across Bass Strait and meeting a great crew and other passengers has been fantastic. That's been really worthwhile, and other things that you'll remember.
Oh, well, I miss everybody. I had one night ashore and the ground keeps moving under my feet, and I keep hearing people's voices in my head, and I keep wishing I was back on the ship, and it's just very strange. It's a very bonding experience.
Towering and gallant flames, Scotland, the mountain main. High may your belt stand as gloriously.
Bob, we're doing washerwoman.
Land of
Can you
my
tell
heart
Bob we're doing washerwoman?
Land of the shining river, land of my heart forever, Scotland the brave.